One of the many questions we get every day about Ray-Ban sunglasses are about replacement parts. Every frame is a little different. Let's focus on the Ray-Ban Chromance. So again, one of the many questions we get are, do you have replacement parts or the replacement kit for the Ray-Ban frames? And this one we get a lot of questions about is the Ray-Ban Chromance. You'll see the name is on the bottom left of the lens. It's always stamped right there. This is one of their polarized ones. One of the newer versions, they actually have a little bit of a different nose pad setting and mounting than the older ones on the Aviators do. We do carry those as well. That pad is very easy to change back out. On the back side, they slip off, we put the new ones back on. Also a very unique way that the Chromance lens is mounted, you want to use the actual right replacement screws. I'm not going to take this one out, they're very, very tiny, but you'll see them in 4 spots. One on the outside, in the nasal area, and here. Again, it's important that you have the exact replacement screws for the Ray-Ban frames. We carry those. You can walk into our shops and get them done on the spot, or you can mail them to us if there's not a service center near you. Look us up and contact us at AmericanEyeglassRepair.com. We'd love to help you.